Hello everyone, this is Emma with the Software Training Lab, and today we are going over part 2 of the healing tools. We'll be talking about the red eye tool, patch tool, and the clone stamp tool. The red eye tool is pretty simple. You probably won't use it a lot, but when you have an image with red eyes. The tool is the one with the eyeball. You can just use the red eye tool by clicking on the red eye in your image and it will desaturate it. It's not perfect, but works well enough most of the time. It won't always work correctly though. Next is the patch tool. It's a tool that looks like a patch. It's a square with little lines along the edge. The tool works by drawing around the object that you want to remove. It will look like you're making a selection. You'll then click on your selection and drag it to an area that matches what you would like to be there instead. Photoshop will then do its best to blend it together. Last is the clone stamp. This is in a section of its own and does exactly what it sounds like. You can copy parts of your image. You'll decide on an area you want to copy. Make sure to hold Alt and click on that area to confirm that's where you want to draw from. You'll then move to where you want to put the copy and you'll just start drawing. If you want to change what you're copying, then you can just go to a new area and hit Alt click again. And it will start picking up from there instead. That's everything for Healing Tools Part 2. Thanks for watching.